everyone, welcome to Honeybee TV. Today I am drawing picture of a cat. Let's draw and color together. These are the eyes of the cat. Please try to draw with me. It is an easy cat drawing. Here are the ears of the cat. Now I am going to draw its body. Have you ever drawn the picture of a cat? It is too much easy drawing. I love drawing and coloring cat. Here is the tail of cat. Now I am going to color this with beautiful colors. Green, pink, red, yellow, pink, wow, this seems to be a rainbow colored cat. Do you love cats? I love cats. He's a very innocent. It's going to be such a lovely picture. Finally, it's done. See you on the next video.